What's up, guys? Timmy and the crew. Dudes, I don't know what's happening, but I think we're getting good at this. We've got a foundation in for the new house. How awesome is that? Yeah, that's right. And got bricks ready to go. We just need to get some wood, start framing up, start building this house. Hope you guys can join us for this journey, because I'm going to show you how to build a house in 1/14 scale. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because we have hit 100 subscribers. I'm so pumped. I can't even contain myself. I think I might just jump in one of these machines and do something crazy. And for you guys over here, thanks so much for watching all of our shows. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and leave a comment, and maybe, just maybe, you can like this video. Thanks, guys. Keep watching the shows.